Hey everybody, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. Today we're going to be doing some New Orleans crawfish bread. So y'all stick around and I'll show y'all what we're working with. Alright, y'all, welcome back. And what we working with here, y'all, we got some what we call a Trinity, some Creole seasoning there, and we can get it down here, you know, pre-cut, pre-mixed and all that. It's Gidger's Fresh Cuts. It's got onion, bell pepper, celery, green onion, parsley, and garlic. We got a little bit of fresh thyme right there. We got some green onions. Of course, we got a pound of Louisiana crawfish tails, clean, peeled. We've got some Tony Chachere's right there. Louisiana hot sauce. And we've got 4 cheeses we're going to use. We got some shredded cheddar, sharp cheddar, Parmesan, mozzarella, Velveeta. Y'all think it's going to be cheesy or what? And then we got some unsalted butter. I'm going to incorporate some heavy whipping cream. That's just a moonshine thing. A little shot of what's this here sauce. And I'm supposed to use the spicy mustard, Creole mustard. I don't have any, so we're going to have to make that work. Mayonnaise. And of course, some fresh French bread. Good stuff. So anyway, I've got the Weber outside getting hot, and I'm gonna put the Dutch oven on there. We're gonna put our, you know, vegetables in there, and we'll saute them down. Then we'll go ahead and add our crawfish tails and our cheese and get all that mixed up and happy, and then we're gonna make our bread. So we'll be back in just a little bit. We got the Weber and the Dutch oven up to temp. We'll saute these Trinity mix down for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna add our other little goodies. So we'll be back in a few. We got our veggies sauteed down, going in with the crawfish. Oh, look at that. Get all that fat out of there too. Yum. And that was 4 tablespoons of butter I put in there. Well, I'll tell you what, 1 pound of crawfish and right at 2 cups of your onions and bell peppers and mix is just about right, y'all. Alright, we'll let that get happy for a minute and we'll be back. Smelling good already. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put in 1/2 cup blue plate mayonnaise, like that. Try and get it all out of there, as close as you can. Alright. Mix that all in there good. Just a little bit of hot sauce. Couple of splashes like that. About maybe 1/2 teaspoon or so Worcestershire sauce, or some people say what's this here sauce. About 1/2 teaspoon of that. And I'm gonna put a little bit of heavy cream in mine. About that much, just cause I can. All right. A little squirt of our mustard. About that much. Tony Satchel going in. And it's got your cayenne and all that red pepper and all that stuff in there. A little bit more. Right. Oh, that smells good, I tell you what. At this point, what you want to do is taste for seasoning. Let's see what it tastes like. A little bit more of Tony Satchel. About that much. 4 ounces shredded cheddar, and also 4 ounces mozzarella. All right. 4 ounces of Velveeta. Maybe 4.5. Ha. All right. About 4 ounces of our Parmesan. Finely grated, so don't let that fool you. So, all right. Now, this is where the magic happens, right here. And yes, this pot is not super hot, but it's pretty hot, y'all. Oh, look at that. Man, if y'all can smell this, look at all that goodness, bro. All right, gang, we're gonna pull this off the heat. We will go build our bread. Yum. We're just gonna use half our loaf of French bread, and I did take and scoop out some of the bread in the bottom there, just made a little trench in it, and tested out the crawfish stuffing to go in there, and boy, let me tell you, it's good. But anyway, so what we're gonna do, gang, that's how I'm gonna do mine. I got 4 little pads of butter. We're just gonna lay them in there like that. Push them down in there. And then you take your good spoon and you fill that dude up like that. Okay? Oh, look at all that. All that goodness, man. Oh my gosh. Smells fantastic. Don't be scared of piling on high. Myself, I'm smart. I made enough of this so I can make some more later or tomorrow. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, gang. A little bit more. Alright. We're going to hit that with a little bit more of our Creole seasoning. Just a little bit, not much. A little more than Tony Satchel is there. Alright. And Parmesan. Like it don't have enough cheese, huh? Alright. A little bit of green onion. Oh, and I did put the thyme in there also. We're gonna see if we can get this dude closed down, and we're gonna get her on the Weber. So we'll be back in a minute. There you have it, folks. Let me get some foil and wrap this. Hang on, we'll be right back, y'all. Okay, now we're straight. Because you'll never keep it contained, y'all. All right. Wrap tightly. We're going to let this go, probably about 10 minutes or so. 10, 15, and we'll get a little crispy on it. So we'll be back. We are done, gang. Feels nice and crispy. About 15 minutes or so. Let's open it up and see what we got, y'all. Good gracious. All that cheesy goodness. Ooh, hot moonshine, hot. Y'all, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Would you look at that? Nice, huh? All that cheesy goodness. Alright, y'all. Let's just cut a little piece off the end right here. Make sure your bread knife good. You hear how crunchy that is? Alright. There you go, folks. Nice, huh? One of them got away. Alright, y'all come up here. Let's get us a bite of this here. Ooh, goodness. Alright. Cheers to you, gang. Oh, yeah. Have mercy. The crawfish tail. That recipe is good, yeah. Everything in it. Well, that's outstanding. That is, I should have made this a long time ago. I made sure you got some napkins. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get out of here. I enjoyed this recipe. Easy to make. Y'all need to try this, man. It's really good. So anyway, hope y'all have a great weekend. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.